Hey guys, this is the PS3 reviewee, and I'm doing a video on the PS3 wireless keypad. The wireless keypad is actually very convenient, because if you have a PS3 then you'll know what I mean. When you are writing to someone, so I'm just trying to do this other screen, bunch of people there, my friends. Alright, message box, so I'm just going to zoom in and see if you can see that a little bit better. Yeah, it's still all glary. Whatever. Received. The answer. Okay, whatever. He's just some guy. How's he online in Killzone 2? Alright, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to give you two examples. Sorry for this tilted camera, it's really messed up. Alright, there we go. Alright. This one, blah blah blah, whatever. I shouldn't say blah. I'm going to zoom in so you can actually see the keypad here. Okay, alright, let's do this up. So I'm going to say blah, okay, whatever. And then to him, hi, this is a review. Oh, my bad, spelled it wrong. IEW, there we go. And send. He's probably going to get really pissed off that I'm sending him all this crap, but whatever. He can deal with that afterwards. And I'm going to use the wireless keypad. Now, the wireless keypad in this is up top on the controller instead of at the bottom, like the Xbox. But it's still really easy to use, so... Hello. Hey man. Okay, so I'm going to write a much larger sentence, and hopefully you can see it up there, and it'll be a lot quicker. See, I wrote that a lot quicker than with the on-screen keyboard. The on-screen keyboard isn't bad, but you know, this is a lot easier. And I'm going to show you a couple of features for this. On here, it has three buttons. This button right here will take you to, here, I'll just go over here. The first button that I showed you, if you click it, oh sorry, the camera just fell, my bad. If you click it, it will take you to your message box. Maybe, yeah, it'll take you to your message box. And on the other side, actually that's the friends button, sorry, my bad. Well, WTF, okay, whatever. And then the other button on the other side, the farther side, is also the exact same thing, which is pretty pointless. Now, on the PS3 keyboard, there is a button that I just clicked, the middle one. And when you click it, you can take your hand and just go over the keypad like this. And then it works as a mouse, so when I do that, I can just do this and just go over it, which is pretty cool. Alright, well there's my, actually sorry, I'm not done yet, my bad. That was pretty stupid of me. Alright, I'm going to zoom out here. It actually isn't heavy at all. It looks heavy, but it's not. It's really light. Alright, very helpful. It's great for internet scanning. I'd give it out of 10. I'd give it 10 out of 10. It's very helpful, very handy. Easy to pair up with your PlayStation. Like any Bluetooth headset. Or not Bluetooth headset, any Bluetooth item. Alright, well thank you for watching my video. I'm the PS3 reviewee. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.